What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm going to be doing an update on BBIG stock.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And on today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this company. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here, at this point, when we hit the range, the golden pocket range. Statistically, it is the most probable range of a trend reversal. And right here, I've told you that we should have at least a bounce to the upside, and this bounce happened. We had about 10% of profits from this range to the next range of 0.5, and we hit the price point of $2.67. But then we had this rollover, and during last session we went even deeper than our previous bottom of the C wave at this range. And this means we broke this range, and technically we might see lower price action. And I will show you why you should be aware of this price action, and I will show you that CRYPTYDE spin-off might not even happen. And let's continue with the fundamental news. So, as you can see, we don't have any major news, any major recent news directly related to BBIG. And the only news that was the driver of its price was on April 18th, and it is their earnings report. And I have to say that I covered these results in my previous video, and they posted this press release on April 18th. But the document itself was published on SEC filings on April 15th. And I covered it in my previous video. And I want to pay your attention for now, not on their results, and the results, I have to say, are quite good, but I want to pay your attention on the 10K form itself. And let me show you right here that we can find the summary of the risk factors. On page 12, we can find these factors. And one of these factors is right here. Our shareholders may not benefit from our planned spin-off of CRYPTYDE. And you might wonder, why is that? And let me switch to 20th page. Right here you can find the explanation. We may not achieve some or all of the expected benefits of the spin-off of CRYPTYDE. And the spin-off of CRYPTYDE may adversely affect our business. And let me quote you further. We may not be able to achieve some or all of the strategic, financial, operational, marketing or other benefits expected to result from the spin-off of CRYPTYDE, or such benefits may be delayed or not occur at all. The spin-off of CRYPTYDE is expected to provide the following benefits among others. And here are the bullets. Provide investors with the potential for greater value than a single company by unlocking a premium value for CRYPTYDE separately. Provide the market with 2 separate companies that have clear product and service offering demarcation, allowing for targeted branding and marketing. Allow each company flexibility in allocating resources and deploying capital in a manner consistent with the separate business strategies. Broaden the appeal of the potential investor base for both companies. Facilitate the ability of CRYPTYDE to separately finance the Bitcoin mining services and Web3 decentralized internet products businesses based on the unique characteristics of each such business. And they also stated that we may not achieve these and other anticipated benefits for a variety of reasons, including, among others, potential disruption to the business of Vinco Ventures, management distraction due to the significant amount of time and effort required, the significant one-time costs of separating the 2 companies. And in my opinion, 3 following bullets are the main ones. Incremental costs on resulting companies, including, among others, the costs of being a standalone company and potential tax inefficiencies. Greater susceptibility to market fluctuations and other adverse events as a standalone company, including as a result of reduced businesses diversification. And risk that the spin-off does not achieve its intended benefits. So it's quite obvious that they have a lot of risks on the spin-off, and I have to say that right after the spin-off happens, we might see a huge decrease in price of two companies, and you have to be prepared for this potential outcome. On top of that, they added, we cannot predict with certainty when the benefits expected from the spin-off of CRYPTYDE will occur or the extent to which they will be achieved. If we fail to achieve some or all of the benefits expected to result from the spin-off, or if such benefits are delayed, our business, financial condition and results of operations could be adversely affected. And definitely for now, the main reason why this asset had a huge support from retail community is the spin-off of CRYPTYDE and the potential dividends of this action. And definitely, if it is the case, you cannot rely only on one potential catalyst of the company. You have to make your own decisions based on a variety of reasons. And if you will see more upside potential for the variety of reasons for the certain company, definitely you should decide to invest in this asset. Otherwise, just stay aside from any trades of this type of assets. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis. But before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, let me show you that from this bottom, I marked this movement to the upside as a 5-wave structure, and then we had this movement to the downside and I marked it as a A wave. Then we have an extension in a B wave that slightly exceeds the range of previous swing high, and we have this as our C wave. But with this gap, let me clean the chart a little bit. With this gap, it is extremely difficult to make a breakdown according to 8-wave theory. And the second possibility is that we have a 5-wave structure from this bottom to this top. And in this case, we have probably this as our A wave, or we might have the A wave to this bottom. This might be the B wave, and this might be the C wave. And if it is the case, let me change this breakdown. We might have this as our A wave right here. This is our B wave. And this might be our C wave. And if it is the case, we have to have much lower price action, because in this movement to the downside, we cannot count 5-wave structure, and 5-wave structure is a must in a C wave. And this means most likely we will hit lower price targets, and with this breakout below this previous support of roughly $2.4, definitely we have decent chances to hit lower price action. And in my opinion, until we will see some announcements from the C executives of Vinco Ventures related directly to the CRYPTYDE spin-off, and definitely we should know the exact date and the exact process of this spin-off, we won't see any major movements to the upside of BBIG stock, and that's why you have to be very cautious. So, I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed.